Common cold and flu are generally caused by virus, and the symptoms can be almost the same. You may be having a running nose or a throat pain, or you may be having a mild dry cough. So the symptoms may be the same, but the most distinguishing feature between a common cold and a flu could be the severity. The flu symptoms could be a little more severe than the normal cold. In normal cold, you may not have that excessive cough, you may not be having breathlessness or chest tightness, or you may be not having that extreme fatigue which is seen in flu rather than in a common cold.